The facade of the house we're exploring today features a suspended volume over the ground. It looks like it's floating in the air. During the day, it appears solid and austere. When night falls, it lights up from within, transforming into a monumental lantern. The main entrance is reached by a generous staircase that gradually reveals itself among the lush vegetation. At the top, a small outdoor hall guides you inside or leads to the side terrace. Mulix House is a sanctuary that inspires tranquility and well-being in every corner. Here, nature doesn't just surround the architecture, it becomes part of it. The feeling of fulfillment lingers long after you leave. As you walk, you cross an open bridge. On one side, a garden. On the other, a charming sunken courtyard, both connected to the lower level and bathed in daylight from above. The highlight of the house is a side courtyard with a triple-height ceiling that visually connects all three levels. Sunlight pours in from above, flowing down to the basement and creating a seamless interplay between indoors and outdoors. The social areas, living room, dining room, and kitchen were designed to be flexible, fully open and integrated or separated when needed. By opening the large doors on both sides, the house expands outward, welcoming light, fresh air, and sweeping views. To reach the master suite, you move through the social area. A double-height space opens to the level below, adding a sense of lightness and spaciousness. On the upper floor, a walkway leads to the children's bedrooms facing the street, protected by an automatic wooden lattice that ensures privacy. On the east and west facades, the window frames are treated differently. The west side is more sheltered from the sun, while the east opens up to highlight the surrounding greenery. Every detail of Mulix House celebrates nature. It's an experience lived from the inside out, with every architectural gesture guided by the landscape.